I am working on getting the bee smoker fired up so that we can calm the bees down to do a check on them. So let me get this smoker going and I will be back momentarily. All right, now we're smoking. When we squeeze that, it puffs air into the bottom, and as we know, oxygen is a big part of making fire. So I'm going to make sure that this is good and burning, and then I will head out to the bees. Farmer Katie here. I'm getting ready to check on our bees. We have our smoker going. Let me show you that. Move this up. Smoker there. All right, look at that. We already have some comb going. We've got one that needs to be rearranged. Gently. Oops. Gently move these back so we can get a peek in there. They seem to be doing really well. We're about 2 weeks. 2 weeks in. You can see how they're working well, building their comb, building that honeycomb. Lots of nectar sources out here this time of year. Lift this one up. They're building their own comb on this synthetic comb that started. We're looking for eggs that have been laid by the queen, because that is important, that she's laying eggs as she should. This comb is capped off, and then this other is not. Slide this back in. The reason I opened this was I need to remove this queen cage. Do that momentarily. So that's the update on our hive. I hope you've enjoyed it. We will check back in at a later date. Keep growing.